Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your door access password. First, identify your specific door access system, whether it is a keypad, smart lock, or another type. Always have your current master or administrator code readily available, as this is crucial for making any changes. You might need a small screwdriver or a paperclip, depending on your lock's model, to access the programming button. Begin by ensuring the door is unlocked and slightly ajar for safety. Now let's enter the programming mode. On most keypads, you will find a small programming button located either inside the battery compartment or on the back panel. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. Then, enter your current master or administrator code, followed by the star key. Listen for a series of 3 beeps or a green flashing light, which confirms you are now in programming mode and ready to proceed. This step is critical for successful changes. With your system in programming mode, you are ready to set your new access code. Carefully enter your desired new 4 to 6-digit code, making sure it is unique and easy to remember for you, but difficult for others to guess. Immediately re-enter the same new code to confirm it. The system should respond with a long beep or a solid green light, indicating the new code has been successfully accepted. Double-check your entry to prevent errors. After setting your new code, it is essential to test it thoroughly before closing the door. Enter your new code and verify that the lock disengages properly. If it does not work, re-enter programming mode and try again carefully. Finally, delete any old or unused access codes to maintain security and keep a written record of your new code in a secure location. This ensures your door access remains safe and functional for daily use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.